My name is Tim Dews. I am the new model manager. I've been here for 3 years. As the new model manager, I go to a lot of meetings. We do a lot of planning as far as making all of the equipment, everything that we need to design, build, and integrate in order to make the products for our customers. The thing I like about JR is it truly is a family atmosphere. When everybody needs to kind of come together, everybody will be there. And most of the times without even being asked. I mean, if someone needs help, someone just chips in and helps. It's just like a family. I think what we seek in team members is really that person who's going to support the family. You know, someone no different than you would in your own family at home. How would you support each other? Those are the kind of attributes that we look for, you know, in individuals to hire and to bring in and to work with us. And the work just flows better when everybody is on the same page and we're all heading in the same direction. You know, one thing I think that separates JR from my experience at 2 other larger companies in the past is, again, that small family feel. We can do things a little bit more quickly sometimes. Again, being at companies that were 20,000 plus and 15,000 plus in the past, it's harder to maintain that family feel with that many people. Where here it's kind of who we are because we're not huge, we're overly automated. It allows us to keep that family feel. They really do care. I mean, our HR department pushes hard for taking care of the employees, the Christmas parties, the bonuses. They push really hard to make sure that they know that they're truly cared about as part of the family. If you're looking for a great place to work, go to jrmanufacturing.net.